One day, the hare boasted of his speed. "No one can run as fast as me," he said proudly. The tortoise, quiet but firm, finally replied. "I will race you," said the tortoise. The hare burst into laughter. "You? Against me?" But the race was set. The race began. The hare darted forward like the wind. The tortoise moved slowly, step by step, but with determination. Soon the hare was far ahead. He laughed. "This race is mine already." The tortoise kept walking, steady and calm. Confident of his victory, the hare lay down under a tree. "I'll rest for a while," he thought. The tortoise kept moving. The tortoise walked on, never stopping. Slow, steady, determined. He did not look back. He only moved forward. While the hare slept, the tortoise passed him quietly. The crowd watched in amazement. The race was not yet decided. The hare awoke with a start. He leapt up and ran faster than ever before. But the tortoise was already near the finish. Step by steady step, the tortoise reached the finish line. The animals cheered, and the hare could only stare in disbelief. The tortoise had won the race. The hare learned a hard truth. Slow and steady wins the race. Pride alone cannot carry you to victory.